There is a big difference between LASIK machines. Everybody thinks all LASIK is the same. It's a commodity now. LASIK's a general term, means make a flap, do laser. How it reshapes the cornea is completely different from machine to machine to machine, and even from surgeon to surgeon, and even how that particular machine is used. That's a wave-light system. You can use it in more than one way. And so one doctor using that wave-light system will get different results from another doctor because they're doing a different LASIK procedure. So all LASIK is not the same, and machines are very different. This thing has a 500 hertz laser head, which means it moves at 500 hertz, or in other words, 500 times a second. It has a tracker at 1,000 hertz. Okay? A Vizx laser has a 50 hertz tracker. Why is that important? Fastest eye movement is 500 hertz. So a Vizx laser cannot keep up with fast eye movements. It only moves a tenth as fast as the fastest eye movement, which can lead to decentration. While this thing will keep up with the fastest eye movement and oversample it. So these lasers make a huge difference also in the way that you actually reshape the laser. The speed, the actual, the shape of the final cornea is what gives you your vision. All LASIK is not the same. You have to look hard. There's a difference between wavefront optimized, for example, on this, and topography guided ablation. And what protocol on the topography guided ablation or contour are they using? Huge difference in vision outcomes.